Hello all, Quail here once again with another animal spotlight. This week we're going to be talking about the beaver. Now I know a lot of you are thinking, are beavers here in the Sonoran Desert? Well yes, beavers actually can be found here in the Sonoran Desert in Arizona in general, and at one point you could find them all over Arizona by permanent water sources, but recent development as well as the use of river water has really reduced their territory, so they're a lot less common here in the Sonoran Desert now. The American beaver is one of the largest rodents we can find here in North America. There's nothing really bigger in terms of rodents than the beaver. A group of beavers is often referred to as a colony, and one cool thing about beavers is they actually are a monogamous animal, which means that they mate with one other beaver for life. Now, when a lot of people think of a beaver, they think of beaver dams, which are basically wooden structures built in rivers that beavers build. And these beaver dams are actually used in order to flood areas in order to have better access to food as well as protection from their predators. Now, beavers are herbivores. They eat things such as roots, leaves, and aquatic plants. And beavers also have large incisors on the front of their teeth, these large buck teeth. And these incisors are actually used to cut down trees as well as gnaw through wood and things like that. Now, the really cool thing about these incisors that the beavers have is that they will grow for the entirety of the beaver's life, which means they'll continue to get longer and longer throughout the beaver's life. Beavers actually will chew on wood in order to help manage the length of these incisors to ensure that they don't get too long. Beavers on average will live for about 10 to 15 years in the wild, while in captivity they can live up to 20 years. Another defining trait of the beaver is actually their flat tail, and they use that flat tail for a variety of things. One of the cool things they will use their tail for is they will actually hit it on the surface of water in order to communicate with other beavers in the area. So that tail is used for communication in some ways. Alright, that concludes another spotlight on the American beaver. I'll see you next time. Bye.